guys, so if you watched my last video, you saw that I got a scroll saw for Christmas, and I've been doing some practice with it and trying some new projects. I wanted to show you this. A lot of what I've been working on is Cricut projects. I designed this fox art in the Cricut design space, and it's all just triangles. And you can see I cut it out of some different materials. There's wood grain faux leather down here, cardstock here, vinyl up here, and built this cute little fox and put it in a frame. And when my husband saw it, he thought it would be really cool to try to make this more 3D and cut it out of the scroll saw. So I went back into the Design Space program and did some slicing to get some of the shapes the right way so that I only had layers where I wanted layers, and then printed it out. And now I'm gonna cut it on the scroll saw and show you how I put it together, and you can see how it came out from a Cricut project to a scroll saw project. So here we have it. This is the fox all glued up together. You can see where the nose and ears, the feet and the tail are all up. And then here is the original Cricut project. All right, so what do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts on my first real designed scroll saw project here. And if you want to make your own, I will link to my blog post, and I'll have that PDF where you can download it to print and cut out your own cute fox. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.